All right, you will now have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes.
There are several equipments at my home that are used for different purpose. The equipment which I would like to talk about here is vacuum cleaner. I bought it from the packages mall for about 5,000 rupees. It is made of Dolans. It is the latest model. Often use it for the cleaning of furniture and carpets, as uh, as cleaning is very difficult and tiring process. So and time taking as well. So it helps a lot in saving time and energy. As my home is located on the main road, so it is very prone to dirt around the streets as from the street. So it is very helpful. I often use it twice a week, mostly mostly on the day off. It is very useful in time saving time and energy.
All right, listen, you're communicating, then you're taking break, producing some ideas, then speaking, then again you are slow, and then again you need some time and all that. Try to focus your fluency, and you should have written some good ideas on a small piece of paper. You can elaborate them well. Overall, you got fluency issues and your sentences have no proper connectivity. Try to use connecting words. Moreover, additionally, furthermore, these words will actually connect your ideas. Then you said it's make of Dollins. You can say its make is Dollins, or it was, or its or manufacturer is Dollins, or this fridge or machine vacuum cleaner was manufactured by Dollins. Then you have this pauses, connectivity and fluency issues, which you take very long pauses and examiner will interrupt. If you take a long pause, examiner will interrupt and take you to speaking part 3, and then you say madam haji renda hai, yeah. So you should be careful with that thing. All right, looking at all these, but your language is overall good, just you need to overcome the content, ideas and fluency. So I would give you a 5.5 this time, so that you work hard and you get better next time, right?